Everyone uses their smartphone to take pictures, replacing their point and shoot cameras. Well, who don't like to edit their pictures on their smartphone? But Play Store is crowded with many junk apps. Well, in this video, let's see 4 best editing apps. So before that, this is Ram and you are here in Tech for Doom. So let's get started. Let's start with the basic, but the most powerful one, the Snapseed. It gives all the basic tools and with more control over a picture for raw editing. It's one of the best apps for content creators. Moving ahead is the Latex. This is the app which lets you to cut the background of your image more easily and gives a more control over the color grading of the image, like color mixing, splashing and brush tool, color curve and even the level and balance of the image. Few features do require a pro version, but the free version does the job. The next is the Photorus. This is an app which is well suited for DP lovers to have a cool DP every single day. Got a plenty of features to overrule, like the collage, pro mode, paint lab, pip, mag library and whatnot. Well, the last and the final one on the list is the Photo Lab. It's also a similar kind of app like Photorus, but gives a predefined styles to edit it as app, and who doesn't want to tinker around much with your photos? Then it's the right app for you. It automatically processes your image and creates effects based on your wish. Just try it out. So that's it. What do you think? Do you want anything to add to our list? Let me know in comments. And if you do like this video, smash the thumbs up and hit subs for more awesome content like this. Until then, this is Ram and I'm signing off.